Hey friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn how can we delete our Facebook account permanently. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. You need to open a Facebook and you have a logged in account. Here you need to click on profile icon and scroll down, and here you see an option setting and privacy. You need to click on setting and privacy, and here you see another option setting. You need to click on it, and here you see a variety of options. You just need to click on this whole box, and here you see personal details. You need to click on personal details, and here you have a variety of options. You need to click on account ownership and control, and here you need have an option deactivation or deletion. You need to click on it, and here you see my profiles are showing because my Facebook account is linked with my Instagram account, so that's why it's showing me here. When I click on my Facebook account, and here it's showing me a option deactivate account or delete account. If you click on deactivate account, your account will be deactivated for a temporary time. Now, for example, 1 month or 1 week or 2 weeks, like something. They can deactivate your account temporarily. If you want to delete your account permanently, you need to select a delete account option, and when you press on continue, he will ask you an password of your email, a Facebook email, and when you enter your correct password, Facebook will delete your account permanently. And that's it. You can delete your account with these simple steps. I hope you like this video. I hope this video found you helpful. If you find this video helpful, please hit a like button and also subscribe to our channel for our future updates. Thank you.